I'm Denise.
I'm Kevin.
This is Tom, our bowling manager.
Tom, welcome to Kevin's Corner.
Yeah. We want to know all about bowling today. So tell us about what you got going on downstairs in the bowling alley.
We have leagues, our league sign-up sheet. You can find that league sheet on our bowling website. We have leagues for everybody. We have leagues for kids, leagues for adults, leagues for seniors, daytime, nighttime. We have leagues for everybody.
That's awesome. You also do parties and group events, don't you?
Yeah, we do. Company parties, birthday parties, we can do them all. Just see us at the bowling desk down there, and we can get you signed up for some great fun.
Yeah, for sure.
What is extreme bowling?
Extreme bowling. Oh, that is, think about nightclub, just not as loud. Think about nightclub and bowling. A bunch of disco lights going off.
Yes.
The house lights are off.
Love it.
A bunch of glow in the dark stuff.
Yeah.
And it's quite fun. It's a different atmosphere for bowling.
That is so cool. One of my favorite things, extreme bowling. Yeah. And I know that some of our bowlers, when they go down there, they get some offers and discounts at other places at our property too, right?
Yeah, so like if you go to the movies, don't throw your ticket stub away. Your ticket stub is good for one free game, and that's good for up to 7 days. So you don't have to go that same day, you don't have to go that same night. You have 7 days to use that ticket.
Free is such a good price.
We love that number.
Yeah,
Free.
Free is good.
You have to check out downstairs. We got lots going on. Tell them about the animation scorekeeping down there. That is the best.
So when you guys check in for bowling, ask the desk to put your lanes out. It's called U-tunes. And you take your picture at the lanes, and it puts your picture up on the screen.
Yeah.
And it uses it in animation.
That's very
It's
cool.
hilarious.
That's
There's
cool.
1,000 different animations that pop up.
I don't want to put you on the spot. Would that make me better looking, you think? You sound like Ralph Piccarelli right there.
Look, we got lots going on in the bowling alley. We got great offers. We got parties going on. We got extreme bowling. You got leagues. You got Tom. Tom's the best. He is the bowling guru. He knows everything about bowling. We even have a bowling shop down there. Is that right?
Oh, yeah. We have a pro shop. They can help you with all of your bowling needs.
Yeah.
Bowling balls, shoes, bags, towels, accessories, you name it. You need it for bowling, they probably have it.
Yeah. So thank you, Tom, so much for being here today. Kevin, it's great having Tom at Kevin's Corner.
It is great.
Yeah. So check out our bowling alley. See you next time.
Thanks, Tom.